Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to construct a rectangle given the length of the diagonal and the short side. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is draw our diagonal line. In this case, it's 500 millimeters and we're going to draw it at an angle of 30 degrees. As you can see here, we are entering the angle. Right, so this is our diagonal line for the rectangle and it is part of the construction. So off camera, I would have labeled it AB. Right, so A and B are the extreme ends of the line. And now we're going to use AB as a diameter for a circle. Right, so we use the center of AB and the radius of this circle is half the length of AB, which is 250 millimeters. Now that we have the circle, the next thing we want to do is use A and B as centers for arcs, and the radius of these arcs are the lengths of the short sides of our rectangle. In this case, the short side of the rectangle is 250 millimeters. So that's the first arc using A as center, and this is the second arc using B as center. And once you get to this point, we are practically almost finished. We're going to label these points as C and D. And the next thing we're going to do is connect A, D, B, and C. Right? And this will form our rectangle. Right, so that's what we have done here. And you can see it's pretty straightforward. Off camera, I would have changed the layer showing the outline of the rectangle to make it easier to view. And just to ensure that it is actually a rectangle and these are 90-degree angles, you can see here this is 90 degrees, and let's just do angle DBC as well for good measure. 90 degrees. So that's it. That's our rectangle. Thanks for watching. It's a very short video, but I hope you would have learned and benefited. Please subscribe if you haven't already.